All kids out of the pool for Adult Swim. All kids out.
eBay package time. This is a thing that I've been wanting since I was a little boy. I got into giant robots thanks to Power Rangers because I loved their swords and I thought they were so cool that they could combine. And then I started watching anime, and there I started watching Gundam, and I thought Gundam was the coolest shit ever. And there was a Wing Zero was one of my favorite ones because he transforms, and I like transforming robots. I think transforming robots are the coolest shit ever. He's not my favorite one. My favorite one is actually Heavy Arms Custom, which doesn't transform, but just like all those guns. How can you say no to that? So I have here beautifully the Wing Zero transformable Gundam. Oh, it has ankle rockers. I had no idea. Transformable toy that they sent in pieces because it's not a model kit, but it might as well be because all its pieces are removable, and that's so surprising. Wow. So yeah, that's interesting. I didn't know it's gonna come in so many pieces. No wonder the box was rattling so much. Not that I mind. I knew this could disarm disarm. Oh man, puns. Disarm itself, but unassemble itself, I guess would be the proper word for it. The person that sold it to me on eBay, they actually panel lined it. And it looks great. The panel lining actually looks really fucking good. Let's see. This is pieces for something, and I have no idea. I did not expect this to come. This is unassembled completely, so that surprised the fuck out of me. Man, this is the gun. Yeah, that's the gun. That's a really good looking gun, by the way. That's a really good looking gun. I do love my Japanese transforming super robots. There's the body. I have no idea how we're gonna do this. I was just gonna do a first impressions, but I guess I am gonna use this video to form this guy up. Okay, both arms are there. I imagine this goes back here. I'm gonna leave this for the end, just in case. But yeah, like look at that panel lining. That's decent. That's decent. So do we start with the legs first? I imagine. There's one leg. And see, this actually, if I'm not mistaken, this actually happens at what point of Gundam Wing? Oh man. Let's see if I can. There we go. That's the second one. I had no idea he actually had ankle posing. That is, ooh, ankle rockers on a really old 2001 toy, I think. That's crazy. I remember wanting this guy when I was a little kid. I never found it. There we go. There you go. That looks a little bit more decent. All right, it's just really want to bend forward, don't you? That's fine. Now, where the fuck does everything else go? Holy shit. Is this the left arm or the right arm? I have no clue. Because I have no idea how this guy transforms either. Yeah, I found instructions online, but that's it. Alright, so wings. They stay to the side. They actually open. That's pretty cool. That is actually pretty cool. Let's see. Back skirt piece. That's gonna go there at the end. Your guess is as good as mine. Okay, so they peg together. Are there any pieces that look like this? Yes. Okay, so shoulder pads maybe? No, because the shoulder pads are these. These are the shoulder pads. I wonder if they actually just how do you install these here? And this is this one. So this one here, and I'm imagining. Let's say this one would go here. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. Okay, no. I have something wrong here. Okay, this one goes here. I am so confused, yo. Okay, so it's either, so I'm not mistaken, like these go to the back. But how would they, right? Because this bends like this, so yeah, this would have to go to the front. And did they actually just pull these out? So I don't want to break anything. Okay, so that's how you do it. Actually has. Okay. So we put this here, and we grab this here, and we put this here, there. Teeth with teeth, I'm imagining. Question is, do you force it? Do you force it? I should get some instructions. Well, that's that. Just goes in there and done. Okay, I guess. I'm just guessing here. Let's see. So we open this, and the arm comes out, and then we put it back, and now there we go. This here, and then we find a way to put this on there, right, okay. Oh, this is soft ratchets, and they feel nice. And we put the other arm on wing 0, right? Wing 0. Oh, that face, that looks great. Wow, this thing is in really good condition considering the age on this thing. Okay, so side skirts. I have no idea what this is. It's a part of the shield. I think so. Yes, part of the shield. There we go, part of the shield. And I know like the gun can go inside that for bird mode. Not entirely sure what side it is. Something like this, something like that. Okay, so this, how do you hold this? I wonder. How do you hold this? I am so effing lost right now. Okay, so this thing. These look like they would go in the front. Yes. So how do we install these? Imagining putting these before the legs would be better. And on the other side, you just get in there. If we take this off, It's it's easily removable. That's cool. Alright, we put this in there. There we go. The other one is pegged in, well, slid in, doesn't really peg in. It's friction joints. And then we put this back. And I imagine these go here. That's to me, that's pretty obvious. But where do these go? That's where I'm being very confused, and I don't know how he's supposed to hold this. So now when he transforms, just to put this thing up here. That's I know this is for the transformation. that looks silly, but I like it. There we go. It's a little bit dirty on top. That's fine. I don't really have an issue with that. I'm liking how he feels. Just gotta find out where the fuck these go. And can you actually hold your gun? How are you supposed to hold your gun though? How does this go? Let's see. Can you? Are you supposed to just like wedge it in there? I doubt it. That's peculiar. That's very peculiar. And people that know about this figure like screaming at the screen. All right, do these go like this or the other way around? What makes the most sense? This or this way better? That actually, that makes more sense, I think. I like the possibility. The possibility of this thing is actually pretty crazy. Where do these go? Where do I? And how is he supposed to? Or am I supposed to like? Let me see if I can. No. That doesn't. That's not. That doesn't look like it's supposed to work that way. Okay. Yeah, like this works like this perfectly. Now about these things, I have no idea what these things are. It was supposed to be a video of me talking about how much I like this guy and how happy I am to finally have him in my collection, because he is a transforming Gundam and I love me my Japanese super robots that can transform. Okay, so this would make sense to go somewhere around here. This go here? It looks like it would. I don't want to force anything. But yeah, like, right? Is that right? That looks like it's right. That looks like it's right. That has to be right. Dude, that has to be right. I don't know, man. And you have these thrusters. I think these are the ones that go behind the legs. There we go. Detrás de las batatas. There we go. Batata thrusters. Cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. And I like how he looks. Now, my biggest question is... This guy is bulky. My biggest question is... these pieces. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So these go here. Yep, they go down here. All right, so okay. So with the panel lining towards the back. And there we go. And that was it. That was it. Doesn't lose his ankle tilts. He does actually a little bit. That's funny, but that's fine. I can see how that could be a problem. You move the ankles a little bit, and this just decides to give up on itself. But that's fine. So great display piece, to be quite honest. This thing looks great. I might end up taking these off, honestly, because I don't really, you know, see much purpose to them. Now, there we go. He puts this here. Just bend this over, and there we go. Now, for the back piece, just put that there. That looks great. Look at that. These things at the bottom, they are a problem, and I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna, you know, remove those eventually. Now let's see. Okay, that there. You don't really have a way to hold your gun, do you? Doesn't seem like you do. That's a bit lame, but that's fine. Let's finish off with probably the most indicative and most important version of Wing Zero, obviously. The fucking wings. Let's see. There we go. And work with me, man. That looks good. Look at that guy. He is a bit flimsy, very back heavy, because those wings are no joke. But he holds his shield very, very well. It's just the ankle pieces. Not a fan of the ankle pieces. The rest of the bot, honestly, that's pretty cool. Look at that wingspan. He looks great. He looks very great. It's a shame he can't really like hold his Buster rifle, was it? I forget. But he can't really hold his rifle. Not really. It's a bit lame, but you know, it is what it is. I'm very happy with this guy. Really happy that I got him, especially for the price that I got him at. This is a really vintage piece at this point. It's been over 20 years since this guy came out. This toy specifically came out. So yeah, I guess that counts as a vintage piece. Yeah, but those ankle parts, yeah, they are really bad. Come on, dude, don't do that to me. Come on, that's not nice. That's not nice. It actually poses really well. Look at that. Head is very limited and can't really hold his gun at all. But I'm happy. I'm happy, especially for the price that I got this guy. He looks great. It's just, again, these ankle parts, they are not going in the trash, but they are going in the spare pieces box. And there he is. Wing Zero. Gundam Wing Zero. Gundam Zero in all his glory. And I am one happy camper. Thank you for joining me.